guys, Janice Lamb here with Everyday Chaos. Today, as I'm kind of keeping an eye on my kid out there in the desert, he's riding his quad, I wanted to start the revamp of what's going to be my new office slash filming area for all the stuff, including workouts. I kind of have nowhere to do those. So I kind of need to work on this at the same time as we're fixing up the house. So right now there's just a bunch of holes. I need to just patch up all the holes and then we're gonna paint. I'm not gonna do too much crazy remodeling on this she shed yet. Over time I'll add to it, you know. I am gonna take off all this weird sticker flooring, which is a sticker of what looks like a carpet pattern. I don't know, it's really weird, it's ugly. We're gonna take that off and then we're gonna sand it and restain all of the flooring. So yeah, let's get started. So I couldn't find my other really good spatula, so I'm gonna kind of improvise with my art one and the bigger one. Whatever, we're gonna improvise, it's fine. And welcome to It's Windy Degrees. Welcome to Nevada, where it's windy all the time. It's better than the heat we just came from, so we've actually been quite enjoying this weather. We actually get to have fall. Okay, so first things first is filling up all these holes. There's still a few nails, I took most of them out, but some of them I actually decided I was gonna keep because I could just reuse them. They were fine. So, as you can see, there are many holes, but they're everywhere, so let's get patching. Oh my gosh. Except for there's this huge one. Well, that's gonna be fun. All right. Okay, before, and then we'll do the after. And that is what not to do, because why? We need to sand that. That's a bad surface. I improvised. I didn't have a sander. I went like this with the spatula. You can do that too. Okay, back to what we were doing. Much better. Smooth surface. All right, I'm not gonna sit here and make you watch all of these holes. So we'll do a recap in a little while. I'll let you know how long it took me though. Okay, so I filled in most of the major holes, and then the next step is to go over it with the other plastering, and then that way the walls will be a lot smoother and it'll be easier to paint on. I'm just kind of half-assing it, like half-assing it, because it doesn't need to be amazingly perfect in here. It's just my art studio, so it's probably gonna get dirty and messed up anyway, so so got some of the big holes, but I kind of have to let that set because it's still a little bit wet. So we're gonna let that rest for a couple hours and then I'll go over with all right, and then we'll get back to it.